All right, so for this one, converting radians to degrees, we just have to remember the relationship between radians and degrees. So remember that 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. And usually we just write rads, which I'm going to write out the word radians because we use rads later on in physics and I don't want anybody to get confused. So that means I could have pi radians over 180 degrees, or I can have 180 degrees over pi radians. Well, they give us 3.1 radians. So when I go to do the conversion factor, I'm going to need radians on the bottom. Well, that means pi goes on the bottom and 180 degrees goes on the top. And then these will cancel. So basically, I'm going to multiply 3.1 times 180 and then divide by pi. So that's easy peasy. We just go to Desmos and we say 3.1. Oops. Well, should have been easy peasy. 3.1 times 180. Oops. Desmos does this weird thing when I record a video. And there you have it. It's 177.6 degrees. Okay, 177.6 degrees. Oops, wrong tab. So when you do the math on this, it's 177.6 degrees. Now, the other thing too, and you guys ask me about this sometimes, and this all goes back to significant figures. Depending on how they write the problem, they may round to two significant figures. So what they did here, 177, when you round, when you use significant figures, it becomes 180 degrees. Okay, so sometimes that confuses kids, but that's what it should be right there. Okay, so that's problem number 1.